Hello students, good morning you to all. Today we will revise the entire topic which we already have discussed in subsequent 4 to 5 classes of topic heredity and variation, starting from concept of gene. Of the topic genetics till that what we have already covered. In a nutshell, today I will revise that. So attentively, student, listen. First of all, we have discussed about concept of gene. What is our genome? What is our genotype? We are one living organism. आमे माने गोटे गोटे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. आमे माने कर स्ट्रक्चरल फंक्शनल यूनिट है सेल. सेल रे रहिला न्यूक्लियस. न्यूक्लियस रे रहिला क्रोमोसोम. क्रोमोसोम रे रहिला क्रोमाटिड, क्रोमोनेमाटा, क्रोमोमियर एंड जीन. And which that gene? What is that gene? That is the functional segment of DNA. पिला माने DNA जदि गोटे सूता गोली हुए around 1400 नानोमीटर, 2 नानोमीटर रो गोटे सूताटिए होची DNA. And that DNA, the structural unit, the polynucleotide chain. So nucleotide base pair number 3 into 10 to the power 9 or 3 billion base pair or 3126.7 million of base pair. So तारो गोटे functional segment को आमे कहले gene. So there are certain concept of gene. कौन? Now each gene is responsible for a character, or each and every character is influenced by a gene. Number 1. Number 2, genes are located over the chromosome, or each chromosome contains several number of genes, because the number of genes far exceeds than the number of chromosomes. It implies each chromosome contains several number of genes. सेई क्रमरे आम पाखरे थिबा 46 संख्यक क्रोमोसोम 29,000 जीन धारण करिसंती. सेई जो जीन they are present in a linear order over the chromosome, and they occupy also at a fixed position over the chromosome. The position of a gene, that is called locus, the position of a gene over the chromosome is fixed. Next, most of the gene present in 2 alternative form called alleles or allelomorph. And the 2 alleles of the gene, they are present in 2 members of a homologous pair of chromosome, and responsible for 2 traits of the character. ये गला most of the gene कथा. Some of the gene present in more than 2 alternative form, that is called multiple alleles. आमे कहले position of gene over the chromosome is fixed, but आउ गोटे point रे कहले the gene of one chromosome may be transferred to other. Next, gene is the unit of structure, unit of function, unit of mutation. ये गला पिला माने concept of gene. Next, genetics terminology. Genetics terminology. We already have discussed certain terms frequently used in the language of genetics. What are the terms? We already discussed what is gene, what is allele, what is character, what is trait, what is homozygous, heterozygous, hemizygous, dominant, recessive, phenotype, genotype, F1, F2, F3, first filial generation, second filial generation, third filial generation, and so on. Gene and allele. Gene, the unit of inheritance. Allele, the alternative forms of the gene. That means allele of the gene ultimately the gene. Similarly, character and traits. Character pila mane kono? The alternative forms, the morphological and physiological expression of an organism. Mungote organism. From a morphological point of view, from physiological point of view, myself, an organism in which way expresses, each one is a character. I have two hands with me, also a character of me. I am with long size of hair. I am with a curled size of hair. I am with black eye. I am with blue eye. All are the character. Then what is a trait? Trait is the alternative form, the variety of a character. Suppose body height, your character. Then tall and dwarf are the two traits of the character, body height. White complexion and black complexion are the two traits of the character, body color. That is character and trait. What is then homozygous, heterozygous, hemizygous? Homozygous students, two alleles of the gene, when are similar, controlling same trait of the character, that is homozygous. That is homozygous. Heterozygous. This is heterozygous. This is heterozygous. Two alleles here are dissimilar, controlling two different traits of the character. Then what is hemizygous? When there is only one allele present. And in which condition there is only one allele present? When the two chromosomes, they are not homologous to each other, rather they are non-homologous to each other. कहीं आमे पिला माने कहिले जीन रो दुईटी आलेली केवल गोटे होमोलोगस पेयर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम रो दुईटी मेंबर रे रुहंती जदि क्रोमोसोम दुईटी परस्पर होमोलोगस नुहंती ताले से माने दुईटी आलेली रे न रही गोटी आलेली रे रहंती दैट इज हेमिजाइगस देन डोमिनेंट रिसेसिव कौन पिला माने आमे नॉर्मली कहूचे इंग्लिश पढ़ुचे कहूचे गर्ल्स आर डोमिनेटिंग द क्लास व्हाट डज इट मीन गर्ल्स आर डोमिनेटिंग द क्लास आर बॉयज आर नॉट देयर yes boys are also there but with every activity they prove their presence so the girls that means प्रत्येक एक्टिविटी रे से माने तंकर प्राधान्य विस्तार करूचंती तेणु आमे कहले गर्ल्स आर डोमिनेटिंग द क्लास सो डोमिनेंट रिसेसिव मीन्स द allele of the gene or the trait of the character that can express itself and the allele of the gene that is expressed itself is the dominant allele, and the trait expressed is the dominant trait, and the allele of gene that is unable to express itself, rather remain in suppressed condition, is called recessive allele and recessive trait. That is dominant recessive. What is phenotype, genotype? Phenotype pila mane the external appearance, the observable trait for a character of an organism. That is the phenotype, and the genetic constitution for a character of an organism is the genotype. Then F1, F2, F3, offsprings of first generation, second generation, third generation, and so on. That is genetics terminology. Then Mendelism, or Mendel's laws of inheritance. We have discussed Mendel's experiment. Mendel performed two varieties of experiment. One is a dihybrid experiment, another is one is monohybrid, another is dihybrid experiment. Monohybrid experiment kono? When in his experiment a single pair of contrasting character is taken into consideration, and from his monohybrid experiment two laws he postulated: law of dominance, law of segregation or purity of gamete. एवं मोनोहाइब्रिड एक्सपेरिमेंट रो फिनोटाइप रेशियो होला 3:1, जीनोटाइप रेशियो होला 1:2:1 एवं एथिरु दीटी लॉ फॉर्मुलेट होला लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस, लॉ ऑफ सेग्रीगेशन. लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस कोन कहूची पिला माने हेटेरोजाइगस कंडीशन रे दुईटी फैक्टर दुईटी फॉर्म मध्यरु द फॉर्म ऑफ द फैक्टर दैट कैन एक्सप्रेस इटसेल्फ is the dominant form, and the trait expressed is the dominant trait. The other form of the factor that is unable to express itself is the recessive form, and the trait remains suppressed is the recessive trait. Semiti law of segregation kon kahuchi na during gamete formation the two forms of the factor present in an individual segregate, separate and pass on to each gamete. ये गोटे इंडिविजुअल, ये गोटे इंडिविजुअल, ये गोटे इंडिविजुअल. Individual diploid possessing two set of chromosome. Individual pure, individual hybrid, individual pure, but gametes are haploid possessing only one form of the factor and always pure, never be hybrid. Hence this law is also called law of purity of gamete. And from his dihybrid experiment he postulated another law, law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment कहूची जदियो दुईटी जाक कैरेक्टर पाई ट्रेड सब एकाठी अछंती yet they behave independent to each other. That is law of independent assortment. एवं dihybrid experiment रो रेशियो होची phenotype ratio 9:3:3:1, genotype ratio 1:2:1:2:4:2:1:2:1. तामने homozygous 1:1:1:1, homo 1:1:1:1. तामने दुईटा जाक ट्रेट पाई homozygous, दुईटा जाक ट्रेट पाई homozygous. होमो हेटेरो 2:2:2:2, हेटेरो दुईटा जाक हेटेरो 4. That means 1:1:1:1 होमो homozygous round, homozygous yellow, homozygous round, homozygous green, homozygous wrinkle, homozygous round. तेणु दीटा जाक होमो होमो 1 1 1 1 होमो हेटेरो जनक पाई होमो जनक पाई हेटेरो 2 2 2 2 हेटेरो हेटेरो 4. That is law of independent assortment. So this is the Mendelism. एवं Mendelism रो law of dominance रो हमें पढ़िले deviation, incomplete dominance, incomplete dominance and codominance. Incomplete dominance and codominance. तामने पिला माने सब दीटा ला ख्याल ले अछि ये कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी ऊपर कंप्लीट डोमिनेंस. दिस इज लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस. ये तार व्यतिक्रम, ये तार व्यतिक्रम. दिस इज कोडोमिनेंस, दिस इज इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस. एठी नेदर फॉर्म ऑफ द फैक्टर कंप्लीटली डोमिनेंट ओवर अदर. हियर बोथ फॉर्म ऑफ फैक्टर डोमिनेंट ओवर ईच अदर. ये आ ऊपर डोमिनेंट, एठी ना ये आ ऊपर डोमिनेंट ना ये आ ऊपर डोमिनेंट. एठी दिहे दिहिंक ऊपर डोमिनेंट. दैट इज the deviation of law of dominance, that is incomplete dominance and codominance. एवं मेंडेलिज्म कर law of independent assortment रो व्यतिक्रम को आमे व्यतिक्रम न कहि करी जेनेटिक्स रो गोटे नूतन दिग कहले आमे linkage. So we already have discussed about what is linkage and what is crossing over. Linkage and crossing over. Okay, so all this is the what we have already discussed. We in a nutshell we revise this. So in next class we will switch over to genetics of zoology, that is sex determination. Thank you all.